हाय एवरीवन। मेरा नाम है मोहित। मैं अपना परिचय पहले तो मैं दे देता हूँ। मैं रोज़ाना एक वीडियो बनाता हूँ अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूवमेंट करने के लिए। इस पहल के अंदर मैं कुछ टॉपिक्स के ऊपर बातचीत कर रहा था, जिसमें से एक पहला टॉपिक था हमारा नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी एंड क्रिप्टोग्राफी। मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो में इसका बताया था ये आपकी डेली लाइफ में क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है, और इसके बारे में कुछ हमने चर्चा विचार की थी। अब इस कड़ी को हम आगे बढ़ाते हुए हम इसके बाद हम डिस्कशन करने वाले व्हाट इज इंक्रिप्शन, डिक्रिप्शन मेथड एंड व्हाट इज की टाइप्स ऑफ की सिमेट्रिक एंड एसिमेट्रिक की। लेट कंटिन्यू द लेसन्स। व्हाट इज इंक्रिप्शन एंड डिक्रिप्शन, द इंक्रिप्शन एंड डिक्रिप्शन, व्हाई रीजन टू यूज एंड व्हाई रीजन टू नीड। The encryption decryption, the simple of the thing, the your plain text and your readable information to share in point to point one person to another person at that can be read. The signal to transfer in digital ways, the digital wave to any person and attacker to attack and read the send of the data into plain text. The between a read are possible. That reason to data to convert into unreadable form. Unreadable form using encryption and decryption method. What is encryption and decryption method? Encryption and decryption method is a technique for your data to convert unreadable form and prevent your data into attacker. The simple of the thing, if share information like a hi message and any other message, the plane of text in encrypt. The encryption is the some of the method that use your data to convert into unreadable form. The unreadable form convert to use a to need. One is in data and second is a key. Key is available on both side and shareable. The type of key is a symmetric and asymmetric is the some of the other topic. it इसके बाद the next are a discussion of symmetric and asymmetric keys. let let using the key in encrypt your data the unreadable form. The unreadable form to convert like your message alphabetic character to convert in numeric character and replace the character of position like etc. And convert is cipher text. The cipher text is a plain text unreadable form convert to form. The form of the ciphertext is cannot be read. It only authorized person key using a decrypt. The decryption of the method the unreadable form text to convert into unreadable form text to convert into readable form. The using a key. What is a key? Key is a special type of the चाबी है वो आपके लिए. इस लॉक ऑफ द solution. The both of the side of encryption and decryption, the send of a message. The key is a special of the thing at reason to encrypt or decryption are possible. The what is a key generate and what is a cipher generate. It is it behind of the type of the key move. What is the type of key? Type of the key is asymmetric and symmetric key. What is asymmetric and symmetric key? Symmetric key is a both of side using a same key. A same key use is called same key using a encryption and decryption to possible. The encryption, the key is a share of the both of side. The reason of cannot be safe of key and but the key of but a key of the multiple of the thing is a use because is a complexity of level of a minimal in comparison of a asymmetric key is a asymmetric key complexity level high but security level so many of high. The using a the asymmetric is using a two keys is a, like a in public and private key. What is public and private key? Public key is a shareable key, it can be shared, but private key cannot be shared. Public key in two person like a and B. A, a, a send your public key if if a person send a message, the send of a message using the B public key. The use a B public key. B is a share a public key and use the use a private key. Use a private key. The decrypted decryption is a possible. The decryption the both of sides is using a different key. I'm I'm describe your what is method to generate cipher text. What is method? Like some of the popular of method is a is, is K case test monopoly zer zer monopoly cipher text and play cipher text, heal cipher text, and multiple of the method. These some of the popular of the method to explain it is Kaiser cipher text. The the form of the form of the shift 3 bit of the number of the shift. Darkness to complete and on the lights. If clear to vision to my face. Let's continue this. What is a monopolarism? Polymorphism is a random of a character to replace of plain text. The plain text like A B C D, A B C D to replace in other random of character. In this second of the thinking of a play cipher and heal cipher. What is play cipher? See heal cipher discussion about in next video.